In this video, I want to show you how to add a cover photo and how to adjust it and do some really cool things with it. So over here in your floating toolbar, just select the Adjust Theme section and just go down to Cover Photo. And you can do this with any gallery that you're on. I'm just going to go to, let's see, I guess it doesn't matter. I'll just go to this one right here. Click Done. And now it's going to look short at first probably, but it's meant to be adjusted. So you just grab the height and you can bring it down something like this. Okay, you can crop it if you'd like. So it's a pretty big image. So crop it something like there. Maybe zoom in a little bit and click Done. Okay, and now if I click Edit, I can actually go over here and do a few other things with that are related to the cover photo. So you can pick a parallax effect. And let me just pick the parallax right here. And this basically means when somebody scrolls down, it's going to create different effects. So that's a parallax effect right there with the cover photo. Let me try a few others. Then there's like a zoom effect. You can see here it's zooming when somebody scrolls down, or a blur effect. It's going to blur, or you can click none. So none, basically you can see what that does. It just stays sort of static. So those are some of the effects you could do. Now a couple other things that work with the cover photo is you can go up here to your menu and you go menu style, and you can actually turn down the opacity of the menu. Check that out. So now you can have a really cool looking menu and have a cover photo behind it. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add text over a cover photo. It's very simple. Just click Edit and go over to the Image Overlays section. Now this is where you can overlay different colors. So check this out. I'm going to pick a black color and I'm going to turn the opacity up to 82%, just like that. Okay, so now we have an overlay, and then I'm going to put some text in here. Let's say this is my commercial gallery. I'm just going to call this commercial. Turn the color to white and make this bold. Okay, so just like that. So now you can see if you click preview, we've created this cover image. Now I'm hovering over this because we haven't selected the hover event, right? And so that's kind of cool if you want to do something like that. Or you can go back, and if you want there to be no hover, go back to Image Overlays. All you got to do is copy over all the settings that you have right here in your default and copy them over to the hover section. So over here on default, I have a black color, 82% opacity. Okay, so I can go here, choose black, make sure it's the exact same color, go 82% opacity, and I'm just going to paste in that text that I copied. And there you go. You hit preview, and now when you hover, nothing happens, right? It just stays the same. So there you go. That is how you add and adjust your cover photo.